In the controlled environment of a mushroom farm,
Mycelium agents quite a lot.
this is the niche across the nutrient phase is substrate.
As the white threads prepare for the emergence of fruiting bodies.
Mushroom spawn is evenly distributed over the compost. This ensures the mycelium colonizes the substrate uniformly. The process is repeated across all trays.
This cycle is critical for the mycelium.
The mist level looks perfect.
Good, let's finish this row.
Fresh air is crucial for our mushroom's development. This system circulates fresh air to regulate CO2. This helps the mushrooms grow uniformly and healthily.
Moisture levels are looking good in this section.
I'll give this tray a quick spray.
The reading is 65%.
Okay, I'll adjust it.
Okay, let's start the harvest.
I'll take the lower racks.
Got it, starting with this one. All right, let's get this compost moved for recycling. Got it, the truck's here, ready when you are. Okay, keep it steady. We're almost done. Looks good, all set for pickup.
Full colonization achieved. The mycelium has completely taken over the substrate. Now, we carefully open the bag to begin the processing. Breaking the block to check the interior. It's dense and white throughout. Harvesting begins with workers carefully selecting ripe mushrooms from the growth shelves. The fresh harvest is gathered into crates for initial sorting. At processing stations, the mushrooms are sorted and packed into crates, ready for market.
Keep the rows straight on these. Got it. Moving to the top shelves. Check the dates on the substrates.
In the mushroom farm, the fungi begin to develop their caps, a crucial stage in their growth. Farm workers carefully harvest the mature mushrooms by hand. The harvested mushrooms are then processed and packaged.
These trays need to be perfectly level.
Okay, let me check with the level.
Good. Now this one.
Perfect. It's even.
Compost is ready, starting the transfer to the bunkers. The heat and steam show it's fermenting well. This layer will break down into rich substrate. We're filling these trays with fresh compost now. The mixture is hot, which helps with the spawn run. The automated filler spreads it evenly. This layer is crucial for a good mushroom crop. Now it's ready for the next stage. Final harvest completed. These are ready for processing. Sorting them into the crate now. These sensors give us real-time internal heat data. We need to keep it in the optimal range. The system alerts us to any anomalies. All right, moving the first tray in. Got it. I'll guide it onto the rack. Okay, push it in steady. All set. Ready for the next one. All right, dump it right there. Good. Now mix it evenly with the straw. Got it. This batch looks rich.
After harvesting, mushrooms are graded by size. Workers sort them into crates labeled small, medium, or large. This process ensures consistent quality for the market.
Crates are here. Get them inside. On my way. Load them on the conveyor. Keep them steady. Check the surface moisture here.
Looks good, but this edge needs a wipe. Stacking the next batch now.
Good. Keep the line moving. Make sure to cover it evenly. Got it. Spreading it now. Good. Now let's pat it down. Looks good.
In the controlled environment of the mushroom farm, harvesting begins. The mushrooms are transported to the processing area. Here, quality sorting begins as workers inspect each mushroom. Only the best proceed. Mushroom farming starts with labeled trays, each tracking a unique batch. Close tracking ensures quality from growth to harvest. Workers harvest and pack mushrooms, keeping each batch organized. These stems need to be even. Watch for soft spots.
Got it. This batch looks good.
I'll double check the lower rows.
Good.
Let's keep the pace. Let's check the compost texture. It needs to be moist but not wet. I squeeze a handful. See? It holds its shape without dripping. Now it crumbles apart. This is the perfect consistency.
Here, the third flush of oyster mushrooms emerges from the substrate. Rows of bags show mushrooms in different stages of development. Farmers harvest the mature clusters ready for processing. Here, mushroom caps form their rounded shape as they mature. Once fully grown, they are carefully harvested by hand. This ensures the highest quality for the market. The compost pile, a crucial starting point, generates heat and steam as it breaks down. The worker turns the pile, then carefully fills trays with the break. This substrate will nourish the growing mushrooms. The ventilation cycle begins, activating fans and vents to regulate airflow and humidity. Workers then harvest the mature mushrooms with care. Finally, the mushrooms are sent for processing on conveyor belts.
Initiating steam injection now. Opening the chamber to load the substrate trays. Steam is now filling the chamber. The heat will sterilize the substrate. Cooling phase initiated. Load complete. Stabilizing temperature.
Here, the mushroom farm thrives in a controlled, humid environment to form the substrate. These delicate pins will mature, ensuring a continuous harvest cycle. This cycle of growth and renewal is the essence of sustainable farming.
Spreading the compost evenly now. This layer helps control moisture. Almost ready for the spawn. Inserting the probe now to check the temperature. The core temp is steady. This batch is ready. Good. Moving to the next tray. Checking the raw materials for quality.
This batch looks good and consistent. Approved. Let's get it to the pasteurizer.
All right, let's get this straw loaded. Got it. Moving the next one in. Push it deep. The mixer needs to break it down. It's mixing well now. Good. That's the base ready. Final inspection. Checking temperature and structure. Looks perfect, ready for pasteurization.
In the growing room, workers monitor the mushroom substrate. The mushrooms are then moved to the lab for processing.
Carbon dioxide levels are critical for yield.
Here, they are continuously monitored.
The first step in mushroom farming is cleaning the trays. We use soapy water and a brush to scrub them thoroughly. This removes any residue and prevents contamination. Clean trays ensure a healthy mushroom crop.
Here, the white mycelium fully colonizes the grain spawn. This jar is ready to inoculate a larger substrate. On the farm, we harvest the mature mushrooms by hand. These are ready for market. Here, a white mycelium network forms across the compost, colonizing it to prepare for mushroom growth. This time-lapse shows the efficient process of fungal expansion in commercial mushroom production.
During breakdown, the compost releases ammonia. This pungent smell indicates the material is decomposing. We turn the pile to control the process. Second harvest is looking strong.
These will be ready for market. Make sure it's even all the way across.
Got it. Smoothing out the lumps now. Good. Let's keep the rows consistent. On it. In mushroom farming, gypsum is added to balance pH and supply calcium, promoting robust growth. The powder is evenly mixed into the compost, creating an optimal substrate essential for healthy mushroom cultivation.
These are filling up fast. Look at that, another full one.
All right, the manure delivery is here, starting the unload. This chicken manure is key for our compost. Now it moves to the conveyor for mixing. This is the conditioning phase. We manage the environment to reduce ammonia. See how the steam rises? That's the ammonia being driven off. Now the ventilation system circulates fresh air to complete the process.
Gloves are essential for hygiene in mushroom farming. Here, gloved hands carefully harvest mature clusters. At the processing station, gloves protect the product during cleaning and trimming.
Let's adjust the COT levels for optimal growth. Increasing to 1,500 parts per million. Levels are now stable. This should boost production. Let's check these new bags.
Inserting probes now, reading 65%.
Good, process this batch.
Next one, 72%, optimal.
Excellent, to harvesting. Harvesting these beauties at their peak. Now, lowering the temperature slightly. This keeps them firm for processing. Setting temperature to incubation level. Confirmed, temperature is now 22 degrees Celsius.